Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. We bought this from Amazon. As you can see, its quality seems to be good. The metal part, it's super easy to assemble it. It's come with one of these kind of brusher, and this one extra filter. It's washable filter, nice and clean your part. I want to share my experience. That at first it's super easy to use. It's chargeable and power and sound is acceptable. I have another one at there. You can see it's one of the famous brand, but it's heavy and it work with the electricity, and it's difficult to use. But this is for battery portable. You can use anywhere, and the gorgeous things, gorgeous color, the quality you can compare with some of the famous brand, and it's super easy to use. Here I will go to show you how it's used. There is a light in the here, as you can see, and 3 level of the battery charge, and you can see it's not very noisy compared to the other strong brand, but strong enough to vacuum, and very flexible. As you can see, it's super flexible, lightweight. Totally I like it, and yes, that's it. It's a chargeable. You can hang to the wall. As you can see here, I just want to show it's come like at the end. It's like this. Thank you for your watch.